leaves and me feel. Yes, girl, me feel. What my next lashes them on? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latasha Valentine, and in this video it's going to be a little bit different from what I normally do here. So of course on here I normally do my makeup or my hair, 4C gang of course. But for today I thought I want to try out something completely different, and I want to do a self-care tip or a self-care routine, if you want to put it that way. So I'm going to try, guys, to do my nails. This is the little packaging that comes in. Very, very simple, standard cardboard box kind of thing. And it is the, well, to be fair, I've opened it already. So I've actually kind of rubbed off some of the name. But it's the nail extension gel, glue, something like that. It's the Polygel one that I'm going to be doing. Yeah, I've never done it before. So I am going to be watching my girl, Adana, who I love watching, by the way, love her content, and she basically did a kind of self-care routine, and it basically included nails, the Polygel nails. She was actually trying it the first time as well, and I enjoyed the video, and I thought I want to try it as well, so I'm going to try it out. So let's go ahead and open it and see. I mean, as I said, I have opened it before. Hold on, guys. Hold on a second. Hold on there. Hold on there. Did you like the video? Did you click the subscribe button? No, you didn't. Okay, I'll go and wait. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. All right? Thank you. All right, so guys, this is the thing, Polygel thing. So it comes in this kind of little plastic wallet kind of thing. And it's got all the, let me open it up for you guys. There we go. So that's the bag right there. Oh, you can see my ponytail in the back. So I got these set here, which is pretty cool. And I guess this is just to measure your nails. Well, duh, of course, it's to measure your nails. So I got that one. I'm just going to pop that here for a second. Guys, by the way, I am sniffling, and you might find that really, really annoying, but your girl got hay fever. I suffer really, really bad with hay fever. It is seasonal as well. It's just worse in the summertime, but it's seasonal. It's extremely, extremely annoying. So yeah, that's me. So I do apologize if you hear me like, or doing all of that nonsense. Guys, it does come with just a small paper instruction. Guys, I also go ahead and purchase this Miley Slip Solution for Polygel application. This one right here. I hope you guys can pick it up, but I'm looking a little bit pale in this. Okay, guys, I forgot to mention, I also went ahead and purchased this little thing here. And this is the LED light to actually cure and dry the nails, I think. So it was quite inexpensive. I bought it on Amazon. It says on here, guys, using a sponge rubbing, using sponge rubbing to polish inside and edge round. Using sponge rubbing to polish inside and edge roundly. Okay, so I guess they want you to obviously buff your actual nails, which I've already done. Number 2, it says to apply a thin base coat gel. Cure with LED lamp 30 seconds or UV lamp 60 seconds. So guys, I'm trying to measure out my nails, and my nails is so weird because they're so big and broad. They're not the standard beautiful, what do you call it? They're not the standard beautiful nails. So I'm trying to measure out my nails. Look how big and ugly my nail is, which is huge. Look at this pipe. Oh, babe. Guys, look at this one. This is number 2, and this is my thumb. It's so huge, isn't it? It is big. It's like a toenail. Apply Polygel to nail tip with slip solution nail tip. So this way, isn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna put my brush in there, and then I'm going to spread it out. Oh, it's a bit thick. Okay, so a bit thick. Okay, am I doing this right? So guys, I'm just putting under. I guess you flatten it. I would need to cut these down. Oh, see, that's why I didn't want to put too much, because I knew it was going to make it long. God, I think it's a bit too much something, you know, too much slip solution. So you have to thin it out a little bit, I guess. So here goes nothing. Right, let me put my hand like that. Okay. Oh no, I have to buffer this down real good. Okay. And then they want me to cure it, so I need to plug that in. They said cure it for 60 seconds. So press 60. Okay, I press 60 and I put my hand on there. So guys, I'm just waiting for it to count down. 60 seconds, it says here. Put the polygel, put the poly to your nail, cure with LED lamp, 60 seconds. And it's got 60 on there. So it's got 60, it's got 99, and it's got 30 seconds. Or on here, the instruction, it says, or UV lamp. And if it's a UV lamp, you'll need to cure it for 120 seconds. So I'm just letting it count down for now. But guys, what I realized that I did wrong is that I put too much of the polygel, because what I find is at the tip, no, not at the tip, at the base of the actual fake nail itself, when I apply it to my nail, some of the polygel was seeping through. So I put too much and I make it too thick. So I think that's going to cause a lot of problem with me actually buffing it down. It's going to take time to buffer down, which is really, really annoying, and I don't want. So hopefully I learned my lessons with the rest of them. Oh no, guys, it came off. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's not good. I thought it was going to cure, but it came off. Guys, it didn't work. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and clean my nail because it didn't work. It didn't stick. I think this thing is much harder than people say it is. It's not easy at all. I'm going to try again because this will not defeat me. Third time lucky. Fingers crossed. Guys, I failed miserably, okay? This is like my 5th or 6th time, and for some reason it's not sticking. I've watched different videos as well. Follow the instructions. The only thing that I didn't have is the solution to apply on my nails, and I don't think that makes a difference in regards to it sticking. I used it. I've applied this to the fake nails or whatever. I've molded onto my my nail that's well prepped. I've put it underneath here so I can what do you call it, cure it or whatever. I've used a fan. Nothing. So I don't know if it's the brand that doesn't work or whatever. So I think what I'm gonna do is try stick on nails, and I think that will work best for me. Wasted my time. How many hours? Maybe 2-3 hours of doing nothing. What a waste of money and time. What a waste of time. What a waste of time and money that I don't have. What a waste of time. What a waste. What a waste of money that me not have. What a waste. What a waste. What a waste. So now, guys, what I'm going to do... This thing is hella sticky in my hands as well, Jesus Christ. What a waste of buying slip solution. What a waste of buying polygels. What a waste of buying this thing here. UV lamp. What a waste. What a waste. What a waste. Oh, I guess I'll have to try it again and see if it works, because surely something have to stick. How could nothing stick? How can nothing at all stick? Eh? How is that possible? None of them don't stick. How can none of them not stick? I not get it. Something have to stick. So I guess I'm gonna try again. And God willing, we'll make this now close now. We'll make this now. Okay, this is going back in the box because nonsense. Useless. Didn't cure anything. I don't know whether the polygel is not good enough. Oh dear. Or, well, this UV lamp does not work. So in you go with the UV lamp along with your connection. Does not work. It no work. It no work. It no work. It no work. Mr. It no work. It no work. It no work. So I'm gonna put them in the top now. This I'll stay around there, so. Now this apology I've got forward because that no work. I'm gonna brush this, I brush and wet up, so I'm gonna just leave this here so that it can dry because that no work. I'm gonna put some of my daisy creams upon here, so. My sunscreen and face moisturizer are there, so. I've got my vitamin C serum for my face there, so. I'm gonna put some Black Opium, Yves Saint Laurent, what this is, fluid, shimmer and moisture body, whatever, there, so. I'm gonna put some Nature Nurture cream, face cream, there, so. I'm also gonna put my, what is this, this is my gummy wax, there, so. And put that one upon top of there, so. And I'm gonna put my Ava Body Care treatment for my hair. Yes, sir. Some sleek glossy lip gloss. Right, yes, sir. My lip, what is? Nail color over there, so. I'm gonna put my micellar water. Right, yes, sir. My fake hair all over the place. And I think that's it for now. Yes, sir. Because this was a fail. This was a fail. This was a complete fail. It was a complete fail. Me feel miserably. It is a complete fail. Why me feel. Me can't believe me feel. Me feel. I'm gonna put some lashes here, so actually, I'm not a good girl lashes there. Don't tell me, so I just took out my new lashes and my last lashes already. Wonder if it drops somewhere. Wonder if the lashes drop somewhere. Did it drop between here, so? I don't think so. That's my new lashes that I just took out as well. I can't believe me feel. Yes, get me feel. What my next lashes them on? That is so frustrating. That is so frustrating. I need to wash my mask. That is so. Can't believe me feel everything. I thought one of them was at least gonna stick, but them no stick. Feel like mongoose. Everything feel. And I lost my lashes. Oh my god. As much as I have so many lashes, I hate when I lose lashes. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing the next video, actually not the next video, but there's some videos that I have. I got about 7 or 8 videos that I need to edit. Some of them are makeup because of course this is a makeup channel and I love makeup, and I think I have one here to do. Doesn't include wigs, it's my natural hair 4C. Woo! I've also got another video, and this includes clothes. New, something different, something new, something, you know, up there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, guys, this video was a fail. Everything in here was a fail. If you do like the video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Why not? You might like some fail stuff, I don't know. Please subscribe to my channel. There will be good things coming along. On, you know, it's new to the game, as I mentioned in a couple of my videos before. So yeah, God willing that everything will work out and I'll become even better than I am. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the Latasha Valentine family. Why not? Let's have a discussion. Let's become friends. Yeah. Leave comments down below. If you've tried the Polygel and it's failed for you as well, even though you've followed clear instructions, let me know. Let me know that I'm not the only one that actually failed at it. It could be that the Polygel just doesn't work for everyone. It's purely, not purely, it surely didn't work for me. So how did you guys get on? Because obviously I've watched so many people, so many influencers on here, so many people are actually trying out for the first time who actually succeed. You know, they did really well. The only thing that I didn't have was a base coat for my nail, and I don't think that should stop the actual Polygel from sticking or from curing, but it seems like it did. So I don't know, guys. Tell me tell me something in the comments for me to feel a little bit better, because I don't feel good at all. All right, guys. So without further ado, no, I'm gonna see you on the next video. Okay, bye.